Hi, my friend. Today I share something special to you. We learn how to share updates, videos, and photos, and something else on Facebook. So, when this video is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel, give this channel a thumb up, and you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. So, let's dive in. So now we are on the home screen of my smartphone. We have to open Facebook, and from there we are on the start page from Facebook. Now we can make some different postings, and we have to click in the top bar where the text is "What's on your mind?" When you click there, you have some options. So first we start with a very simple text posting. So I tell my friends, how are you today? And then question mark. And you can give them some emoji for this question. So now I can post it in the top right, but you see also in the top you can share it with your friends to the public or to the public. I want to say, oh, I want to make this public because other people who look to my profile can read this. And I can set this in the bottom as a default audience. I check mark this and save it. So now I can click in the top right on post, and this is my first post today. So now it's uploading, and you see your post was shared, and everybody can view my post and can react with this. The people can give a like, or they can comment this. Like now you can see, okay, I do it. I comment my own post, but the people can do this on your post. And you see, somebody can send your post via WhatsApp, but at the moment WhatsApp is not correctly installed on this test phone. And the people can share your post in the messenger from Facebook, per WhatsApp, or in groups, or in some stories, in Instagram, or as a link, so they can link it on other websites and forums and something like that. So Facebook is really open. Other websites or platforms, you can share it, empty it, something like this. So, but today we make the easy stuff. Okay, so this was the easy text post. Now we make a photo post. You can click in the top in the bar where the text is "What's on your mind," or you can click on the photo icon right. So I click on the icon, and you see it immediately open my photos. Or I can click in the bar and can go from there in my photos and search for videos. So I go from there and I pick up a photo, and now I can do this with effects or filters or something like this, but I don't want this. I only want to share my photo with my friends or the public. You have to choose it here in the top, or I can make also a photo album, and I can connect it with my Instagram account, but not now. We only do the Facebook thing. So you can write something to the photo. So you can do this and click posts. So now we post the photo with a little text and an emoji, and the public can see this because I do it, or I share it to the public. So now we make a video post. It's also the same way. I click on "What's on your mind," go to photo video, and I choose my video, or I can make a video. So you see in the top right is a camera icon. I can do a video from there. So now I switch my camera and I can make a video from there. But I choose the video what I make for my camera roll. And also I can write something to this video. So I post my video. So this takes a little bit longer. It's how great is your internet connection, but then your video is open to the public. So this is not all postings we can do. We have something more on the postings. We can tag some people, we can share our feelings or activities, we can share our location, and we can share live videos, and we can share some animations, GIFs, and we can share a live event, or we can share music. You can share whatever you want on Facebook. You also can share your YouTube videos. I show it to you. We go to YouTube. We switch the app. And then we see some videos. And I can share it in the Facebook post. So we go to this. It's not my video. And then you see share it, copy the link, and then you go back to Facebook and only paste inside the post the link, press enter, and then Facebook is creating a thumbnail for your post, and you can write something about this video. Cool video, please have a look. So, and then we can post it, and you see we already post a YouTube video, and the people can watch it from here. And
this is a test video.
There is also my video, and there is my photo post, and I think in the nowhere of Facebook there's also my text post. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope this content was helpful to you. Please let me know in the comments what you think, or when you have any questions, drop down in the comments. Give this video a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe for more content.